So today I have had a lot of questions asking me where I get my aloe vera from. So today I took it upon myself to go and show you where I get my aloe vera from. First of all, there used to be a tactic I use. I go to a neighbor and ask a neighbor if I could use or borrow or take some of his plants, and they tend to ask me lots of questions that what are you using it for? What are you going to sell it? They want a cut and all that. So now my new strategy is I just walk around the neighborhood. When I see aloe vera, I just go and cut because I'm tired of answering questions. So let me take you to my first spot of cutting aloe vera. So yeah, the technique I use always work. I just look around the neighborhood and then look for some aloe vera that looks attractive and also very healthy, and then I take just a few. Sometimes I just I take like 2 stems or 3 maximum because I don't want to finish the aloe vera completely. And then when I'm done, I go to another place. But unfortunately, after I took this one, I was a bit exhausted. I said, let me just go and use what I wanted to do with this one, like the purpose of this video. So instead of going to scout more other places, I just used this two for what I wanted to use it for. So in this video, we are making a gel and also aloe vera oil. The simplest way you can make this for yourself, like the simplest way you can make it for yourself. So in the first one, we are making aloe vera oil. Yes, in my videos, I've showed several ways you can use aloe vera for hair growth, but in this one, I'm not blending the aloe vera as I used to. But this time around, I'm just, just cutting is like you're seeing me doing the video and then frying it a bit in oil. Yes, but if you want to blend it, you can just blend it so that it quickens the whole process as well. Yes, so aloe vera generally is very good for hair growth. You can use it for your skin, you can also use it for your hair. I always talk about aloe vera as being a cash crop because it's very nutritious and even something that you can consume, like you can consume, because I know people take aloe vera as a weight loss recipe. That is a video for another time, but in this video we are looking at how you can make aloe vera in the simplest way. So when you are done, the whole point is to infuse it in an oil. Yes, if you have any other hair oil you want, like extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, you have to infuse it in an oil, and I'm using extra virgin oil for this. I also added a little bit of rosemary. You know how beneficial rosemary can be for the hair. Yeah, so you can add rosemary to your aloe vera oil so that the properties or the benefits can be doubled. I mean, you can have double benefits of these potent herbs. In infusing this, it depends on how long you want to infuse it. So you can infuse it for either a week or 2, or you can even infuse it for a month. Because of the fresh gel in aloe vera, it's best to infuse it for not too long so that it doesn't come with a funny smell, because the aloe vera gel is a bit fresh. Yes, but if you want to infuse it for long, it's better to use aloe vera powder so that you can infuse it for a longer period. Yes, so after I added my rosemary leaves to it, or rosemary to it, I now added the oil. This is an oil I've had for a while, so I just added it to it so that it infuses a bit in it. Guys, you can use this oil as a pre-poo. You can also use it as hot oil treatment. You can use it as your normal hair oil. You can use it, you can even infuse this in your hair butters. You can even use it on your skin. Yes, you can use it on your skin because aloe vera is also very good for the skin as well. Now it's time to leave it to sit down for a while so that it does its magic as well. So as I mentioned earlier, you can infuse it or leave it down for a week or 2 for it to do its magic. So after 2 weeks, I then get my strainer and then strain the aloe vera oil into a container that I want to use the aloe vera oil in it next time. Yes, I will always prefer to fry it instead so that I get more goodies from the aloe vera. But in this video, I couldn't get the luxury of having the heat available, so I decided to do it this way. But then if you have the luxury of having heat, let's say fire, saucepan and all, please do well to fry so that you're going to get
lot of benefits from the aloe vera gel. Yes, so after you strain it, transfer it into your dropper bottle or any applicator bottle of your choice, and you are good to go. Like, this is ready for use. Now let's make the aloe vera gel. With this gel, you can use it as a pre-poo or you can use it as a detangler. Yes, you can even use it on your skin. This particular video, I used it for my face, like my skin, because aloe vera gel is very good for the skin. So as usual, I peeled off this skin and then I transfer the gel into a container. You can decide to blend it or you can just decide to leave it like that and use it as it is. When you blend it, do well to strain it so you don't have any residues lingering around in your head. Yes, so these are my top ways to make aloe vera gel for yourself and also aloe vera oil for yourself. They are so easy. You don't have to, break your bank. Just go around your neighborhood, get some aloe vera and then do this and then store in a container somewhere in your cabinet somewhere and use it on your scalp. This is a channel I show you simple DIYs you can use to grow your hair, which really work. They are not just DIYs, they are DIYs that actually work. My name is Lydia once again. Let me know what video you want me to do again or what DIY you want me to try again so that I'll come and give you updates on it. If this is the first time you are watching this video or if this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe because it's about to get more interesting. Bye!